Have you ever thought how to set up SSH key, or how to create an SSH key, or how to create different configurations of SSH key on our GitHub profile? So in this video, we are going to learn about different ways, or one of the best way to create the SSH key and to integrate that SSH key within our GitHub so that we can sync our repositories from our local machine to the GitHub. And similarly, we can push and pull all the changes by using the SSH key. So let's get started. So this is our terminal. So our first step would be in order to create the SSH key in our local machine. So in that case, we would have to open our terminal. So within this terminal, we would have to add ssh-keygen-t then ed 25519. If you can see, I'm getting suggestions as well because I have already created an SSH key on my local earlier. So what this command is saying is we need to create an SSH key using elliptic curve algorithm. Then we have to add -c here, and then we would have to add our email address. So now once we press enter, it is asking that enter the file in which we need to save this key. It is going to default to your home directory /.ssh and then followed by this ID. So I would strongly recommend you to keep the same ID and then press enter. So it would, just because I already have this, it is asking me to override. So I'm not going to override, but you would have to press enter again. So it would ask you to create a paraphrase, something like this, and then you would have to press enter. And once you have pressed enter, you would see that the SSH key is already generated. So the SSH key would look something like this, which is shown on the screen. So now what we got is we got a public key and a private key. In our use case, we would have to take this public key and we would have to integrate it within our GitHub. So now let's try to see how we can integrate the public key. So in order to get the public key, we have a command called cat and then press enter. So now we got this public key here. So now we would have to copy this public key and we would have to paste this in our GitHub, right? So now let's move to github.com. So now let's try to go to github.com and then we'll go to settings here. So within the settings, we'll go to SSH and GPG keys. And over here, if you see, I already have my SSH key added. So in your case, you would have to go to new SSH key here. You would have to name it as like my Mac SSH. And then under the authentication key, you would have to paste that key here. And once you have pasted the key, you would have to add that key here. So in that way, you would be able to add the SSH key and sync between your local system with the GitHub. So now once you have added it here, so now you are free to take the clones of your repository and start to code push, and you can just fetch and you can push the changes of the code in your repository.